This ICT indicator will change your life because it can increase your win rate by so much. I know many ICT strategies don't have the highest win rate, or you might not have the highest win rate. You might think you do when you're back testing, but when you're forward testing, you probably have seen that you get so much losses than wins. Why is this? It's because you don't have a high win rate ICT strategy. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the ICT strategy plus using this indicator. And this indicator right here will increase your win rate by 20, 30, 40% even, okay? Because the win rate for this indicator, if you add it onto your chart and it's based on the daily power of 3, it increases it by so much. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the strategy plus how to implement the indicator onto the chart plus how to use the indicator to your benefit in order to actually become profitable and start scaling to them 10k months. So this indicator doesn't tell you when to buy or when to sell, like, you know, RSI indicators or stuff like that. It literally just tells you a green line or a red line, whether the ICT daily power of 3 is indicating you to enter sells or enter buys. Okay, so what happens right here is accumulation, manipulation, distribution is the ICT daily power of 3. So accumulation is when the daily candle opens right here. Manipulation is when we go towards the upside, creating a wick or downside. And then distribution is the real move, and we're going to enter off this distribution leg in order to catch the biggest move in the markets. And it's a very high probability to catch this distribution leg right here, okay? So we're basing all of this off the daily time frame. So as you can see, the daily time frame, the daily power of 3 always works like this. So as you can see, it's just a basic normal daily candle. It opens right here, accumulation. Manipulation is this fake move right here, as you can see, this wick. And distribution is when we start going towards the upside, which is the real move, okay? So that's literally what we're going to use in order to benefit our trading system, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use a strategy, also a very high probability strategy, in order to also increase the win rate, okay? So anyway, as you can see, when we open this indicator, we have this grey line right here, which is the daily opening price at New York time. This is 5 p.m. New York time. This is 10 p.m. UK time. And the green line is at 7 a.m. UK time and 2 a.m. New York time, okay? So that's when it tells us to buy or sell. So we're going to use the London session in order to actually enter our trades in order to finally catch the distribution leg. That's when it usually happens, right? The London session is when the distribution leg finally starts coming into place, okay? And we also get this yellow line right here. What's the yellow line? The yellow line is the daily opening price. And what we do with this daily opening price is that we target the daily opening price because the probability and possibility of price touching that yellow line is so high that it has a very high chance to actually touch that yellow line. So when we're taking profit, that's where we're always going to target. The risk to reward is also very big for the strategy, and the win rate is also very big. It doesn't mean you're going to get trades every single day. However, again, you are going to get trades most of the days to actually become profitable, okay? So anyway, how we can use the indicator and the strategy in one way. As soon as you open it in the chart, if you want access to this indicator, link in the description below. However, you won't know how to use it until you watch this video to the end, okay? So as you can see, if price just moves like this, just leave it, let price do whatever it wants, okay? So let's just say price does this for Asia session or at the daily candle open up to our green line. Let's just say price does this, okay? So how price calculates whether the line is going to be green or whether it's going to be red, from the daily opening price all the way to the highest point, it went 33 pips up. How many pips did it go down? It went 40 pips down. It went more bearish than bullish. That means the line is going to be green, because we do the opposite of what this did. So it went more bearish than bullish. Now we enter buys, okay? But then how do we use a strategy in order to increase our win rate by so much? Okay, there's many ways you can go about this. We can use the Judah swing entry model. So we're looking for buys right now, right? So we're looking for sell side liquidity to be taken out, right? Sell side liquidity take out, look for buys, okay? So the Judah swing model is like this. So from this price all the way to our green line, where's the lowest point? The lowest point is right over here. So we can use this as our liquidity point in order to actually wait for price to take it out and then go, okay? So the lowest point right here, can look for a Judah swing entry, or you can look for, as soon as price opens up, this is the more high probability entry. As soon as price opens up right here, wait for price to take out the most recent liquidity right there, and then look for your buy right here, looking for market structure with displacement, and then enter off the extreme of the displacement leg. Or what you can actually do is wait for a new low to be formed right here. As soon as the new low is formed, wait for liquidity to be taken out right there, and then look for your buys, okay? There's many ways you can go about this. However, the highest win rate one is the one where you can actually wait for just some liquidity to be taken out and then look for your buys. And again, the best pairs this works on is EURUSD and GBPUSD and SPX 500. Also, the timing for the strategy, I recommend you trade it in a 2-hour time period, okay? So from this time right here, 2 a.m. New York time, all the way to 4 a.m. New York time, or 7 a.m. UK time, all the way till 9 a.m. UK time. As you can see, I have been doing my research properly when trading the strategy, and I have been trading it for a very long time, okay? So anyway, what we can do, as soon as price takes out the liquidity right here, let's just say there's a Judah swing low right there. As soon as price takes it out, look for a market structure shift with displacement. If price takes out the liquidity in the 1 hour time period, so from 2 a.m. all the way till 3 a.m., it's a more higher probability, okay, if you take it out in the 1 hour time frame right there. So price took out this liquidity right here, market structure shift with displacement, enter on the extreme of the displacement leg, and target the golden line as I showed you before. And that's so high win rate if you just do something like that. So now let me show you a chart example of this. But before I carry on, I do want to say, if you want to become profitable and actually become funded guaranteed in under 30 days, I can actually help you do that, and I can also manage your account for you. So again, it's only $500, $250 before and $250 after, and I can actually guaranteed make you funded, or you get your money back plus what you paid for the funded challenge, which means there is zero risk on your side. As you can see, there's so much funded challenges which we have already passed. This is only some of the stuff which you got, but I can't screen record every single one. As you can see, we've passed so many challenges already, and we've passed way more than this. Hundreds of challenges we've passed with a 100% success rate. Again, if you fail, you get your money back plus what you paid for the challenge, so there's zero risk on your side. We can also manage the account for you after passing, making you a consistent 5 to 15% gain a month. So 10k a month will be very easy for you to hit. So let's get straight back into the video right here. Or if you want to join the mentorship, link in the description below. It's only $50 a lifetime, which will also change your life, okay? So anyway, let's use this example right here. This is a very good example. This is the first one. The second one is going to be a way more harder example, so make sure you watch the video when I go to that second example, okay? So again, so the green line indicates we should be buying, so let's wait for sell side liquidity to be taken out, because the green line means you should buy, okay? So there's a Judas swing sell side liquidity right here. As you can see, this is the lowest point from right here. So the daily opening price all the way to the green line. This is the lowest point, so you can wait for that to be taken out, or we can wait for a new liquidity to be taken out right there, okay? So let's wait for that to be taken out. There you go, liquidity got taken out right here. Go down to the 1 minute time frame. Where's the recent high? The recent high is right over there. Why is this a high? Why is this a high? It's because the candle before it and after it didn't go above that high. This is what you call a fractal high. So let's wait for price to take that out. There you go, it took it out with displacement, extreme FVG of the displacement leg. The displacement leg is from here to here, because these candles are very strong and it led up to breaking this high. The second example I'll show you will trick you out a lot, so make sure you watch that one. As you can see, FVG right here, and then entry right on that, stop loss below the displacement of the FVG, so right over there, and take profit and golden line. And it's a very high probability that price will touch the golden line. So as you can see, entry right over there, price taps into the entry point, be patient, let market do whatever it wants to do after that. Stop loss, take profit or break even, just let it do that, okay? You got to be Zen psychology, and there you go, just like that, it touches your take profit for your 1 to 5.73 RR. And this example which I'll show you right now is a very tricky one, so make sure you watch this one properly, or you'll probably not know how to become profitable if you don't watch this one properly, okay? So I'm going to skip to right here. Same exact thing. Is the line green or is the line red? The line is red, and price also took out this high right here. This is the highest point also, and also it's just a nice set of liquidity right here. Or if you don't want to use that as liquidity, you can use this as liquidity right here at our trading times, okay? Right, like this, okay? So now let's go to the one minute time frame and start looking for our entry model. So price took out this liquidity high right here, started consolidating. It never formed a market structure shift because price formed this high. Where's the low before price formed this high? The low is all the way over here. That's too far away, okay? So most likely price will not touch that. So price kept on consolidating, never breaking low, and then price formed this new high right here. Where's the low before price formed this high? Right over there. So you can use that as market structure shift. Let's wait for that to take place. And also, what else happened? Price took out all of this really nice set of liquidity. So let's wait for price to break that. There you go. Where's the displacement leg? The displacement leg is from here to here. Why? It's because this doji candle separates this from being displacement, this candle right here. So from here to here, there is the displacement leg. Where's the extreme FVG, or the displacement leg is right over here. So this is going to be my entry. Stop loss above the displacement high, which is right over there. And again, you're not going to change anything which I'm teaching you. If you use whatever I'm telling you right here, you are going to become profitable. Entry right there, entry right there, and then take profit at that line right there. Easy, just like that. And you can test this out for yourself, and you will see positive outcomes come out of this. And that's it from me, everyone. If again you want to become profitable, join my mentorship below. Or if you do want to become guaranteed passive funded challenge in under 30 days, except from gambling your funded challenge and keep on failing, you can join me today and actually become a profitable trader and actually let us manage your account for you for a very small profit split, guaranteed, or you get your money back plus what you paid for the funded challenge, and you can pay half now, half after we pass phase 1 for you. Link in the description below. Watch the video and then message me on Telegram. And that's it from me, everyone. I will see you all on the next video. Take care.